I want to say pollution is a very serious topic because we are know pollution is day by day increase, just like bike pollution, air pollution and sound pollution, है ना. There are many companies are running in India and all the world. And जस्ट आई थिंक जैसे कि जब दीपावली आता है, आई एम नॉट टारगेट रिलीजियस पर्सन एंड आई मैं भगवान को मानता हूँ.
I believe in that.
I believe in God and Ram ji and many gods. Because I am a Hindu, so I'm not targeting all Hindu people, because just like Deepavali comes and many uh, many पटाखे बहुत जलाते हैं, तो उससे भी पॉल्यूशन होता है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो एक दिन होता है, बट ऑल इंडिया इन ऑल इंडिया पॉल्यूशन बहुत हो जाता है.
It, when Deepavali came and the people cracked the crackers,
हाँ.
at that time there was so much pop pollution.
ओके. बिकॉज हम मेरे कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं रिलीजियस को वो टारगेट कर रहा हूँ, बट माइंड पे आया तो बोल दिया. तो बट जस्ट लाइक BS6 bikes are running on the road, so it is reduce a उसको क्या बोलेंगे जो धुआं निकलता था पहले के टाइम पे गाड़ियों पे.
Silencer?
साइलेंसर बिफोर टाइम्स वो उसका ब्लैक धुआं निकलता था ना, ब्लैक रिड्यूस ब्लैक 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 एयर. सो many types of things many types of things our environment are very dirty, then it is a create global warming. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की समस्या हो रही है.
There is a problem of global warming.
There are problem of global warming, and we are know global warming, it is harm for us, and skin cancer and many types of disease in human. So what's your opinion be?
Okay, let's come on my opinion. Okay, so we should know that pollution is increasing day by day. The reason behind that us, because only the human beings only the human beings are the reason, because other one cannot do this, but only the human being we are doing this. Like day by day we are increasing, we are using so much materials like chairs and tables and many more. And all of these materials are built in the factory, and we know that factory use so much different type of raw material to make one material. When factory use different type of material, then it reduce the it reduce the gases from their chimney, and these gases are very harmful for us, and it involve in our environment, and it create our surrounding very bad, and it is one of the cause of pollution in our India. And if we want to reduce it, so that we can expect that our pollution will be go down, and only the government can make a law or make a rule for this. And if we talk the second thing, that our bikes or our motorcycles,
Yeah.
which are like there are many people who are using their motorcycles, and the motorcycles which they are using are reduce the gases, which is not good for our environment. Like if we saw that there are, you will saw that the person, they do not they didn't they don't make the don't do maintenance of their motorcycle. That's why their motorcycles reduce the very bad gases for our environment, which is very harmful for us. So we can reduce it by very easily if we will do the maintain and if we will do maintenance of our bikes or motorcycle very well. So it will not reduce the gases gases, because just like our sir's bike, his bikes they don't reduce the bad gases, because sir maintain their bike very well. So it is the one of the best example in front of us which we have saw, and which we have seen. It was the second point, and like if I will come in the point of Deepavali time, that at the Deepavali time, yeah, people burst the crackers a lot, and it is the cause of so much pollution. Like in Delhi, the people do not have the enough or good air to survive. Like they have to use the oxygen gas cylinder, which is like uh, like in India, you are not having the enough air to take the take the oxygen or inhalation and exhalation. You are suffering from the you are suffering from different diseases, like just because of the pollution. So we can see that if you want to burst the cracker, so burst it, but think out our environment. Be in burst the crackers in your limit, because if you will burst in your limit, so pollution will be not more like as much as old. But if you will burst the cracker, like if you want to burst, so you can burst one or two cracker, but the people burst to like 10, 20, 30, and they buy a lot of cracker and they continuously burst it, which is not a good for our environment. So we can reduce that, but if we talk that permanently we cannot remove the cracker from our India, because it is the festival of our Ram, and Ram was and Ram is our Lord. So we should burst, but in your limit, so it is good. I do not burst because I am not so much interested to burst the crackers. So yeah, that was my point on pollution.
So, Bhaiya, I want to say some points. Do you
Yes.
do you know many people go uh, go to Narvada Ji, and they polluted, just like I'm not few years ago, uh, few years ago, people भगवान को सिरा देते थे, अरे वो कर देते थे, वहीं पर विसर्जित कर देते थे। तो
Yes, they uh, विसर्जित तो नहीं हुए, but they विसर्जित
दे
को मैं
ड्रॉप ड्रॉप
नहीं,
बोल सकते।
ड्रॉप ड्रॉप होता तो वो तो मतलब ड्रॉप मतलब होता कि गिरा देना, एक बोल सकते हैं।
तो कोई बात नहीं। तो
हाँ, या
दे
दे नहीं बोलेंगे, दे immerse the God in water.
they immerse the god in water, and but should government take action, then Gauri, in the side of भटो जैसे बोले शमशान घाट के बाजू में, इन द शमशान बिसाइड ऑफ शमशान घाट।
Graveyard.
हाँ, ये क्या बोलते थे इसको, कुंड, मेक द कुंड, एंड ऑल पीपल्स ऑल पीपल्स क्या बोले थे भैया आपने इसके बाद, विसर्जित के लिए
अच्छा, they immersed.
they immerse the god, and many types of god, just like Ganesh, Shiv, and Mata Rani. So many types of, and but nowadays Narvada are very clean, but some peoples are they burn the दियावत्ती दियावत्ती
Hmm.
है ना, एंड बट some people are in Narmada river pollution, it spread the pollution, and I think if इफ अगर मेरे अंदर श्रद्धा भाव है तो मैं भगवान को प्रणाम भी कर सकता हूँ,
भगवान को
प्रणाम भी कर सकता हूँ माँ नर्मदा को। ये जैसे कि हम माँ नर्मदा को क्यों गंदा करें?
why we should polluted the Mahanarmada?
Why we should pollute the Ma Narmada? And as we know, Ganga Mata is a recently now very many types of people. They are very polluted in Ma Narmada, and just like we and know, and our parents are wear clothes clean, and he is a Narmada and Ganga is a जीवित, यानी अभी गवर्नमेंट ने इनको जीवत माता का वो दर्जा दिया गया है, जीवंत माता का। ये जीवित है ना,
they have give the symbol of living life.
There is a symbol of living life. So in the corona period, we know well, birds are coming in our house, and Dhuandhar Jalprapat and all the rivers and all India, they are very clean. But just lockdown free, after the same thing, people they polluted Narmada and Bheda Ghat, and some rivers are very polluted. Then many types of people live in India, and they जैसे बहुत सारे लोग गाय भैंस को भी धो रहे हैं, गाड़ी को भी धो रहे हैं। they washed the animal and wash the car. And second thing is भैया, you आपने कहा, you said that Delhi pollution in winter time very high, and my relatives are live in Delhi, and live in Delhi, and the Delhi pollution is a very rate of high, and there is a no tree and plant, and but in MP very in अपने मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे हैं। in our मध्य प्रदेश is lots of trees, lots of trees. And second point is 1984 Bhopal gas कांड, do you know?
Yes, I know very.
Yes, Bhopal gas कांड reduce the gas, and एंडरसन भाग गया था इंग्लैंड, जिसने वो किया था, तो ही go out.
The person who was
foreign.
The person who did run to forest.
The person who did the run the foreign. And I'm talk about just like many types of companies. They are just like you often saw company gate. महादेव गार्डन के ग्राउंड के जस्ट बाजू में बरम कंपनी, डू यू नो बरम कंपनी?
नो, आई डोंट नो।
नो बिग बाजार जहाँ बना वहाँ बरम कंपनी थी। ओके तो 3 brothers were running in Baram company, and government stay you can work in Maneri. Then stopped Baram company is stopped in area because there is a lots of amount of pollution, because वहाँ पर ईंट बनती थी चीनी मिट्टी की।
Okay, they were making making a brick of sugar.
They were making the bricks.
Making a bricks of sugar. And government banned in Baram company, and he recently now in Maneri Baram company. And just like I at last I want to say, when Deepavali comes and animals are very afraid,
and
Hmm.
I'm not. We are humans being, and but animals are not telling you and telling us, क्योंकि वो लोग
Hmm.
नहीं बोल पाते हैं कि हम डर रहे हैं, बट एक दिन में इतना ज्यादा पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. एंड सेकंड थिंग सेकंड थिंग इज भैया, रेडिएशन पॉल्यूशन एंड गौरैया. बिफोर टाइम्स ago, goraya comes our home, but nowadays goraya देखने को नहीं
Yes.
मिलेगा.
Yes, it is.
So that's it, my point भैया.
Yeah, it is right point and valid point. Nice.